6:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blount and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chilton County, Dallas County, until 2:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:06 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near West Blockton to New Wayne, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Selma, Calera, Clanton, Valley Grande, Jemison, Selma West Selmont, Thorsby, Maplesville, Orville, Gap of the Mountain, Bogueshito, Arnold, Tyler, Danley Reservoir, Verbena, Mitchell Lake, Paul M. Grist State Park, Dallas Lake, Memorial Stadium, and Burnsville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for Central, South Central, and East Central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama.